Hey guys, welcome to the very first weekly vlog of 2021. I have decided that I'm finally going to start vlogging because let's just say that Vlogmas was pretty cool. Even though I stopped, I quit after 12 days. It was a little too much, and honestly, I wasn't feeling like the best, and I haven't been feeling the best for like 2 weeks now. But what I think about weekly vlogs is that I can pick and choose what I put in throughout the entire week. So if I'm not having a good day, that's fun because I'm not actually vlogging every single day, but like vlogging throughout the week and then making it a video. But anyways, today we are starting. I've had a headache. I felt terrible all week, but we're feeling fine today. And I'm actually going over to my mom's house, well, my parents, but obviously my mother lives there too because I bought her own Switch, which she completely deserves this baby. But yeah, I spent like $340 something because I got expedited shipping, which didn't even matter because I didn't get it on time because I missed the delivery because I was in the process of buying a PS5, which I successfully did and we'll be picking up next week. But I have my Switch I'm bringing along, and I'm going to teach her how to play Animal Crossings because the whole point in me buying her a Switch is so I can have somebody to play Animal Crossings with. So was it a hefty price to get somebody to play with me? Yes, but my mom's really excited. She's been looking up tutorials and stuff. And then I made my niece buy it. The one that you saw, it's some videos of mine or maybe on my Instagram. She was living with me for a few months and then she went back to Oregon. But my sister and my niece are on their way now from Oregon to live with me. So the vlogs are gonna get really interesting. So yeah, that's just the update. And I'm gonna go ahead and you'll see me when I'm at my mommy's house. I'm at my mom's house and I'm giving her her Switch. Here, mommy, open it up. Unboxing, please. Let's go.
Stop.
This is Winston.
And he's driving me nuts.
And this is, I named her Dobby because she looks like Dobby.
She's old girl. Mom
calls her old girl, but I call her Dobby. She adopted her. Nobody wanted her in the neighborhood.
She was left.
Yeah, she's really old.
Abandoned.
She was abandoned. My little Dobby.
Is this the controllers?
Yeah, I'll show you
They're
how.
little.
Well, I'll show you how to do it. It'll look like mine.
Yeah, I guess you stick them on.
Yeah. Do you like? Do you love?
Is there something underneath? Oh,
all your other stuff.
Oh, okay. Yes, I
Oh
do.
my God, I wish I put a shirt on.
I'm so excited. You just want to... You just wanted somebody to play with.
Yeah, so I spent a lot of money just so I could have somebody to play with me.
You need to get some friends.
I don't like people.
You're just like your father. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Happy birthday to me in July.
Oh, yeah. You're such a sweet girl, Dobby.
Go wash your hands.
Dobby is a free elf.
Go wash your hands. Don't touch nothing until you go wash your hands.
Oh my God. Okay.
COVID. Oh, I gotta click A. Looks like we'll take you. They're gonna take a picture of me, Gypsy. Oh, don't worry. Take as much time as you need to get yourself looking just the way you want. Well, what you see is what you get.
Look, my mommy made me a sandwich and it looks like it has a pee-pee, but it's just a pickle. And I want to eat this pickle like Snooky. Thanks for the sandwich.
You're welcome.
Okay, so it's the next day from the last time you saw me. I am in my son's old room. We have lots to do today. We have to take some furniture and stuff and throw it in the woods. Not really, throw it in our pile that needs to go to the landfill. So I have to take all this furniture out and get it outside and do all that to prepare for my sister to be here because she's in Wyoming at the moment. She'll be here tomorrow at some point, and we gotta get this room in order. So that's what we're gonna do. Okay, so this is the update. All of this needs to go to the burn pile, including the vacuum and whatever, and that Christmas tree needs to go in the shed. But yeah. It's really cold. I picked the worst day to do this, honestly. If you guys want an update, all of the stuff is now all the way in the back and it's snowing. And you guys know how much I hate snow. But yeah, that's the update. Snowing and it's not that fun. Okay, who wants a little haul? So I bought a bra from Trisha Paytas. I know. You guys are like, isn't this the second time you bought a bra from Trisha Paytas? Yes, it is. But I bought another one, so who wants to see it? Boom. It's an Adidas sports bra. I don't think it smells like Trisha Paytas, if that's weird. But yeah, I just bought a sports bra in size large. So that was the haul. Woohoo! Okay, so I'm taking a break from my regular shows, which is The Golden Girls, Law and Order, which I don't even have that many episodes left. Jersey Shore I'm rewatching, and The Secret Life I'm watching now. I'm on season 1, episode 16. And then next to me, my curtains are wide open because my sister's gonna be here in like, I don't know, an hour, 2 hours. I'm so excited. So my curtains are open so I can see when she gets here. And then we'll like see the dogs because I haven't seen them in forever. There's one I haven't met yet. And then we'll end the vlog and then we'll start the following week, even though it's Monday and I want to do like Monday to Sunday, but this is a small exception to start the vlogs a little late, but that's okay. So yeah. Okay, so I have Yeti and Ellie in the crate because my sister's about to pull up. Actually, she's pulling up right now. So the dogs can remember Ellie, and one of them doesn't know her, and so the cat doesn't freak out, but she's here. Isn't that exciting? My sister's here. Yes. Wow, that's a big trailer, huh? Hi, Elizabeth. Hi. Oh, it's cold. Scout! Hi, Choco. Hi. Hi, Choco. Hi, Scout. Hi. Hi, Choco. What are you doing? Hi. Hi, Mosby. Hi. 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 Wow, you're a big boy. You're a big boy.
Oh, you haven't got to meet him, have you?
No.
Yep, that's the mode.
Oh.
Hey, Choco, get over here.
Oh, God, it's cold as crap. Oh.
Feels nice here.
Oh. God.
We get 3-degree weather.
Okay, Bill, we understand. Is that a heart with nipples?
Yeah. Choco, come here. Where'd my dog go? Get over here.
There, sniffing her in.
Oh. Inside.
Yay! Hi. I put the cat in there. The cat's hissing. So, I'm not sure what's going on over here.
Most of just trying to attack the cage. What are you doing? We have it. Ready? Ready? That was on video, right?
I think so. I think Mosby made a goal.
Was he minute? Oh my god. What was the goal? You guys ready for this? Leave it, Mom.
Can you fix that?
Yeah.
I hope. I don't know. I hope it didn't break.
If it did, we'll get a new one. What? Ready? Kick it, he'll play with you. Kick it. Tell him leave it. Say leave it, Mo.
Leave it, Mo.
God, we can't have anything nice with Mo.
No.
That was a big lot of her. Oh my.
Mo's like, there's that thing over there. I'm not going over there. Look at him. He's like, there's that thing. What's that thing?
Mo.
Get it, Mo.
Elizabeth, is it your first day with geonometry?
Yeah. Geonometry.
Oh, God.
Kick it, Andrew.
No.
Leave it. Leave it. Mosby. Leave it. Leave it, Mosby. Kick it, Andrew.
You're gonna want this
Kick
one.
it.
There you go.
Kick it.
Now that's what you call trigonometry.
Come on, kick it. Leave it. Leave it. Leave it.